Hey everyone, Mo and I are back to continue our talk about pain management in your pets and using CBD. So when we talk about pain, arthritis is definitely something worth mentioning. So over 60% of cats at the age of 6 and 90% of cats over the age of 12 actually suffer from arthritis. So they're not just getting older, they're actually in pain. 1 in 3 geriatric or large breed dogs also suffer, and this makes even getting out of bed super painful for them. So CBD oil provides significant pain relief in dogs with arthritis because of its anti-inflammatory benefits. So because he only has 3 legs and his front leg takes the brunt of his body weight, Mo here will likely develop arthritis. So watching for signs of pain, keeping your dog at a lean body weight is really going to be important in the battle against arthritis. So for chronic inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis, using CBD oil twice a day is going to offer the most relief for your pet. So we can also talk about casual pain. So things happen in life. Your pet gets in a fight at the dog park, or your cat picks a fight with another cat. You're out for a hike and they get a nick on their leg or something. They're also susceptible to things like bug bites and sunburns as well as rashes. So all of these things are physically painful for a time and can create discomfort. So for these kinds of skin irritations, topical CBD products like creams, balms, lotions, those are your best first choice. I can attest to the pain relieving properties of CBD creams. I had major cancer surgery almost 2 years ago, and I have a very extensive scar running the length of my abdomen. And while I was healing, that was about the only thing I found that made a difference in the pain level of my scar, actually. Unless I wanted to fill myself full of ibuprofen, this was the only thing that worked. So I can tell you firsthand that it does a great job. So we can also talk about pain from surgery or cancer. So when your dog is feeling the effects of cancer or the subsequent cancer treatments like chemo, you want to give them as much relief as you can. So maybe they're already taking some kind of pain control or other medication to fight the disease or the pain. But unfortunately, most of these medications come with some major side effects like nausea, vomiting, ulcers, lethargy, and loss of appetite, just to name a couple. So there is no scientific evidence that CBD oil can heal or cure cancer. However, there is evidence that it can significantly ease the symptoms that they are suffering from. It can aid in recovery after surgery. So sometimes you can even complement prescribed medications with using CBD to reduce the side effects. So you can read more about CBD and the drug interactions on our blog post on the website. So you'll always want to check with your vet though before you start any kind of CBD treatment in conjunction with any pet medication. So in many cases, we have actually seen pets on medication safely transitioned to CBD only with great success and actually none of the side effects. So something like an non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, transitioning them from that strictly to CBD, and they do fantastic. So our CBD oil actually comes in 4 strengths. So there's a 200 milligram specifically for cats and small dogs that prefer fish flavor. There's a regular 200 milligram, a 500, and an 800 milligram. And we'll soon be coming out with our 1100 milligram for extra large doggos. We also carry balms for topical use like we just talked about. And we're actually going to be getting our CBD treats back in the store finally for those of you that have been waiting patiently for them to return. So I hope this little chat has enlightened you a little bit on how you can help manage your pet's pain. And obviously if you have any questions, please reach out to us through Facebook, Instagram, or through the website. We'd love answering your questions. So it's time for his walk. We'll see you again soon. Make sure you give your dog a squeeze for me. We'll see you later. Bye.